From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of flimsy clothes hangers that can't hold the weight of your favorite jeans? Look no further than the metal wire clothes hangers bulk by Photoumgle. I've got to say, these hangers have been a game changer for my closet, and I'm excited to share why. With their sturdy 0.16-inch diameter wire and beautiful gold plating, these hangers are built to last and can hold even the heaviest garments without deformation or breakage. I've hung everything from suits to winter coats on them and they still look like new. The special shoulder groove design is also a genius touch, as it prevents clothes from falling off, making it perfect for hanging delicate items like camisoles and tank tops. The slim space-saving design is also a huge plus, allowing me to maximize my storage space and hold more clothes. Plus, the ends of the hangers are rounded and the edges are polished smooth, so I don't have to worry about them scratching my clothes or my hands. Many customers have purchased and reviewed these hangers, and it's clear why they're so well reviewed. They're durable, easy to set up, and provide extra storage. I've used them to hang both wet and dry clothes, and I love that they won't fade or rust when exposed to water. Whether you're looking to upgrade your closet or just need some reliable hangers, I highly recommend giving the metal wire clothes hangers bulk by Photoumgle a try. Your clothes, and your closet, will thank you. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.